Grab your face framing piece, put your round brush through, clamp on the piece, slowly create tension, leave the end pieces out, and gradually curl inward while keeping your curling iron straight. Hold for about 3 to 5 seconds, then bring your curling iron under and up, under and up, straight down. Unravel, 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 straight down. If you really want that tousled look and to keep the curls in place, use texture spray. Living Proof is my absolute favorite, and this is not sponsored. I legitimately just love this product.